So what would be like the closest thing into a botanist for
Phycologist?
yeah, phycologist, right? So you're studying algae and marine plants. Okay, so maybe you want a phycologist because you're definitely gonna have to figure out like what algae and plants are growing in your title, right? What else did we talk about that like could give you a hint at who else you want on your team? You got algae and like seaweeds covered. Geologists, yeah, because you're trying to also describe like what makes up the structure of the reef.
Maybe phycologist, geologist,
Yeah.
ecologist, and zoologist. Those
Right,
are,
yeah.
like, the two that
That's your short list for sure, yeah. So now, that sounded like it was about 4 options, right? Maybe 5. So try to narrow it down to just 3, because each of you is going to be one of those.
ecologists and zoologists have like interacting roles.
Yeah.
Seem pretty similar, so choose one.
Okay, yeah. So now it's kind of personal preference between those two because they're so close. So just think about it again. Zoologist might be like all the invertebrates in the fish.
Ecologist includes like also physiologists and
Yeah. It's a very big picture, right? Like
So, yeah,
here's how everything works together.
it's a big over big.
Yeah. I like an ecologist personally. I'm a little bit biased because that's definitely something that I have to like
Yeah, but
do.
sometimes doing this you can't go that way.
True, totally true. Because if the hard part about being an ecologist is you have to be both good at broad thinking, but also really like well versed in like the tiny specific differences. Like
Yeah.
what's the ID for this one obscure snail? Totally though, right? Like you need to know all the players.
And also the plants.
Yeah, and the plants.
Sometimes it's like this.
Right. So like as an ecologist, you might have some like phycology background. You might also have some like invertebrate zoology background.
Yeah.
But sometimes it helps to have like very like specific like roles. Like you want
Yeah.
one zoologist.
It's a little too broad.
Yeah, it could be too broad. Totally. So I'll let you guys think about it. You guys, your short list is perfect. Just choose which ones you want to pick, and then like assign roles as well for your team.
Okay.